Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to add an extra layer of security to your WordPress pages or just make your password protected pages look and feel exactly how you want, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you how to customize a password protected page in WordPress step by step for 2025. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set, update, and secure your pages like a pro. Let's dive in. Access WordPress first. We need to get into your WordPress dashboard. Head over to wordpress.com and click the login button. For a faster login, you can choose continue with Google and make sure it's the account link to your WordPress site. Once you're in, you'll be on the dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. Navigate to Pages next. Let's find the page you want to customize. On the left-hand side, you'll see the Pages option. Click that. You'll see a list of all the pages on your site. This is where you can choose the one you want to password protect or update. Quick edit for easy changes. Instead of opening the full editor, we're going to save some time. Hover over the page title you want to modify and click Quick Edit. This opens a smaller editing panel right on the list page. It's super convenient for making quick changes without loading the entire editor. Update the password. Here's the important part. Inside the Quick Edit options, you'll see a password field. Type in your new password here. Make sure it's strong. Use a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. This keeps your page secure and makes it harder for anyone to guess. Save your changes. Finally, don't forget to save. Click the update button on the Quick Edit panel. That's it. Your page is now securely password protected with your new password, and you didn't even have to open the full editor. And there you have it. That's how easy it is to customize and secure a password protected page in WordPress in 2025. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss more WordPress tips and tricks. Drop a comment below if you have any questions. I'd love to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.